7 days with Mr. Rabbit. Sunday, Mr. Rabbit and Mr. Fish. It was a lovely Sunday morning. Sunday is Farm Day. Mr. Rabbit woke up very early. Today, he wants to eat some fresh carrots from his farm. So, he puts on his boots and hops off into the woods. His farm is quite far from his house, but that is not a problem at all because in the woods, he loves to hop around, he loves meeting new friends, he loves to sing songs, and he loves the morning breeze. Along the way, he had to cross over a bridge. The river looked so beautiful. Mr. Rabbit looked over the bridge when suddenly he accidentally kicked a small stone and it fell into the river. The river made a small bloop sound and Mr. Rabbit heard a loud scream. Ouch! Mr. Rabbit was confused. What happened? Where did the sound come from? Who screamed? It was Mr. Fish. Actually, Mr. Fish was enjoying his own free time that morning when suddenly a small stone hit his head. Mr. Rabbit bent down and noticed that Mr. Fish was patting his head. Mr. Rabbit quickly apologized, but Mr. Fish said it was fine. It is fine, Mr. Rabbit. Mr. Rabbit and Mr. Fish had some lovely talk. They talked and talked until the sun was already above their heads. It was already afternoon. Oh my, Mr. Rabbit forgot he hadn't had breakfast yet. So he quickly said goodbye to Mr. Fish and hopped straight to his farm. Once he arrived at his farm, he plucked many vegetables and fruits. There were apples, pears, watermelons, cucumbers, and of course his favorite, carrots. He even plucked some spinach for his new friend, Mr. Fish. On his way home, he stopped by the bridge to give Mr. Fish some spinach from his farm. They then became good friends who likes to share foods with each other. The end.